Hello friends, if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Why do we stay in a bad relationship? A bad relationship is one that has more than its fair share of ups and downs and arguments. A bad relationship is one in which either one or both people are more unhappy than they are happy most of the time. There is often little communication, little to no common ground or understanding, and not much enjoyment. Why would a person stay in a relationship that was making them unhappy? There are many reasons we stay in a bad relationship. Let's look at a few of them. Number 1. Do we deserve better? Sometimes we just don't think we deserve better. We may have low self-esteem or be embarrassed to admit someone is treating us poorly or that we are unhappy. People have all kinds of conflicting emotions when they are thinking of leaving a relationship, especially a bad one: fear, loneliness, and even love. They may think this is the best it will get, or that being treated badly, even abused, is normal. Number 2. Think it is normal. Maybe they saw their own parents hurt each other or abuse them as kids. Or maybe one of them is truly manipulating and abusing the other and the victim is afraid to leave. They may be afraid if they leave that the abuse will get worse and therefore that they are better off staying. Or maybe we hope they will change and that things will get better. Number 3. Addiction. Sometimes we are addicted to bad men, things, and bad relationships can be one of those things. Maybe it is because we think we don't deserve any better or that they are all we know and have. But we can overcome these negative thoughts. Number 4. Codependency. Codependency is also an issue for many people. Some people just don't know or want to know how to live alone and be on their own. They would rather be with anyone than alone, even if that means being in a bad relationship. Number 5. Fear the unknown. Sometimes we don't leave because we don't want to be alone, or we fear the unknown. Sometimes the devil you know is better than the devil you don't know. Everyone has annoying or bad traits. What if you leave and can't find anyone better? And if you think there is no such thing as a good relationship, then why leave? Maybe there isn't anything better. Number 6. Children. Another reason people stay in bad relationships is for their children. This is one of the better and more understandable reasons for staying in a bad relationship, but if the relationship is abusive or really dysfunctional, then it is probably better for everyone if you leave. Number 7. Financial reasons. Another reason people stay in a lousy home is for financial or practical reasons. Some people can't afford to leave. Their lives are dependent upon two incomes or the income and arrangement that they have. Some people don't leave because they have a history together. And they have built something together. They rely on each other.